Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound yen, I mean, we are definitely going up. And we have to keep in mind that the higher time frames are basically all up also. So there's a chance this just keeps on going up, making higher highs, higher lows. It could also be a wave B, which means it might go up and take out these highs and then turn back down for wave C. But either scenario, I mean, it's definitely not finished either scenario with the move up. So I'm definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. While I'm looking for longs, if it just keeps on going up, great. While I'm looking for logs, if it goes up, takes out the highs, and then turns back down, then I'll stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So for now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. I would have to see some sort of a pullback, which it might not pull back until it hits the 78%. Then if I see some sort of a pullback, that would be what I would be looking for my next long opportunity. Like I said, we could be in a wave B, so keep an eye on your fib levels. If it does break structure at a fib level, then that should signify that it's a wave B. If it doesn't break structure at a fib level and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then just keep on looking for longs at the end of every pullback you see. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.